Hi, and welcome to Let's Bake and Cook Stuff. I'm Mary, and today I am making banana bread, but I'm making a banana chocolate swirl banana bread. So it's a little bit different, and it's a little bit more delicious because we're adding chocolate. So I'm just saying. Starting out with a half a cup of butter, which is 1 stick, a half a cup of sugar, and a half a cup of brown sugar. I'm going to get these mixed up. Okay, now I want to add 2 eggs. Number 2. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm adding 1 1/4 cups of mashed bananas. This was 2 fairly large bananas, so it'll probably be 3 regular bananas. Okay, the dry ingredients, I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, you want to stir that just to combine. I'm going to clean off these sides and the bottom a little bit. A half a cup of sour cream. Scrape down the sides a little bit. Okay, now I want about half of this in a separate bowl. That's 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder and 1/4 cup of mini chocolate chips. To the plain banana bread batter, I'm adding 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts. Now for the fun part. I'm going to do alternating dollops of each of the batters. So I'm going to put 1 dollop of the chocolate, and next to that I'm going to put 1 dollop of the regular. Okay, so see, and now I'm going to put a regular here next to the chocolate, and chocolate there, so you can see we're alternating the pattern here. And we want a chocolate one here and a plain one here. So there I have, so there you can see we've got like a checkerboard effect going on there. And then we're going to do the opposite on the top, on this next layer. It's going to be, I'm going to put the plain over the chocolate, and then the chocolate over the plain right next to it. Okay, and then another chocolate on this next plain one here. It's like art. Now you could leave it like this and it would turn out perfectly lovely, but I'm just going to give it a little bit of a swirl. If you do that too much, it's just going to be all one color. So you want to make sure you don't swirl it too much. I'm going to put this in a 350-degree preheated oven for about an hour, and then we'll see you back here. Okay, let's cut this open, shall we? My husband's getting impatient. You really should let it cool longer. Here's your chocolate swirled banana bread with chocolate chips and nuts. Chocolate and banana bread in one. This is really good. Not too much chocolate. You still have your banana flavor in there with just that swirl of chocolate and the chocolate chips. Really, really good. Give this a try at home. Let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching. You take care now.